Hello guys, welcome to you all. Here I am Rudra with my channel Motive for You. Today I will explain an amazing topic about the difference between self-confidence and arrogance. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel Motive for You to get the videos about the small topics which will play a big role in your life. So let's check, which one are you, an arrogant or a self-confidence? As we all know that arrogance and self-confidence are usually same, but there is a thin line between them. Actually, we all have a question in our mind. If a person says that he is the best, then sometimes we cannot understand, is he a self-confident or a arrogant? In this case, we have to judge a thing. If the person is saying or thinking that he is best in the world or in the universe, then he is an arrogant. And if he thinks that he is the best in himself and he still has the humility to learn new things, then it's his self-confidence. And in this case, his self-confidence will not go to the arena of the arrogance. As an example, if a person says that I can do it, then it is his self-confident. But if a person says or thinks that only I can do it, then it's his arrogance. When we talk about self-confidence, we actually talk about trying to be the best version of ourselves. You know, we constantly update our applications to get the better version of what it exists. Like this, whenever you will try to be the best version of yourself instead of being better than any other, you are self-confident. We often start a competition with others to be better than others. Perhaps we do it in the pressure of our family or our society. Often we are told that it's the time to join the competition with others and we have to make a better result than others. But we always forget to think that actually we are in our own competition where we have to be better than what we exist, and thus we have to compete with ourselves in every single moment. But just because you are best in yourself, it doesn't mean that you are best in the world or you are the best in the universe. Whenever you start to think this, that you are best in the world or in the universe, then you will cross the line of self-confidence and you will enter in the arena of arrogance. I told that there is a thin line between the arrogance and the self-confidence, and the thin line is humility. So whenever we talk about humility, we are talking about keeping our minds, our hearts and our conscience open to learn from the people around us. Everybody has so much to offer us, and only arrogance can stop you from this growth, because arrogance is the greatest enemy of self-growth. Thinking that I have cracked it all, thinking that I know it all, thinking that I don't need an improvement, the greatest enemy of growth. Therefore, our minds are like parachutes. It functions when it's open. Now, a question can come in our mind that how can we recognize a self-confident or an arrogant person in our daily life? Then the biggest way of recognizing them is to observing them. An arrogant person will always try to give an advertisement of himself and always have to prove themselves to others. But when it's time for a self-confident person, then they don't need an advertisement for themselves, because a real confidence speaks to itself, and it always combined with the humility. So this way we can recognize an arrogant person and a self-confident person. After all, may you have liked the video. If you want to say something about this video, then please write this in the comment section. Share the video with everyone and subscribe my channel Motive for You. And I am coming with my next video very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay good. Thank you.